Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to split or merge audio or video files in CapCut video editing software. This one is the software I'm using, Windows 11. You can use this software on different devices such as Android devices and iPhone devices. Now you can add video files and audio files. So let me drag a video file here and at the bottom. So this one is added at the timeline. Now simply we can use this one and then we can remove unwanted part of the video by using split tool. This one, click here, split, then you can delete this part. How you can merge any of the file next to this video. Let me import another file, this one image, then drag it, and after that you can also move this file anywhere. So if you can add it here, and here you can see you can easily use this one merge feature. Also you can increase the width of image. You can use this one and then you can easily adjust using drag and drop functionality. You can also cut any part of the video. For example, let me select this one and then you can select this one. So this feature working great. After that, final step is you can go and export your video in any of your desired format.